everyone, welcome to Fancy Try Now. I'm Miss Fang. Today we'll learn how to make pork dumpling and vegetable dumpling. First, we prepare 3 cups of flour and we add 1 cup of water and mix them together. We're also gonna add a little bit salt. Now we're gonna set the dough there for an hour while we prepare the filling. For the pork dumpling, we have 1 pound of pork and 1 pound vegetable. Vegetable we have a cabbage, Chinese chive, carrot, garlic, and ginger. Then we're gonna prepare vegetable dumpling. We add 3 eggs, a little bit garlic, and salt. Mix them together. Then we're gonna fry it. Notice you don't want to overcook the egg. So when the egg is a little bit done, you can already turn off the fire. Now we're going to use the same pot to fry the vegetable. In this time, I don't want to overcook the vegetable. I just want to soften the vegetable so when we make the dumpling is not easy to break. So some of the vegetable will go into the vegetable dumpling and some of the vegetable will go with the pork dumpling. I also add the ginger and garlic. You already smell the ginger and garlic flavor right now. It's really good. So we're going to divide the vegetable into 2 parts. One part is mixed with the vegetable dumpling and another part is mixed with the ground pork. We're gonna let them cool down later. So I'm gonna also prepare some Chinese chive. If you don't have Chinese chive, you also can replace Chinese chive with green onion. I'm gonna chop them very finely. Also divide into 2 parts. 1 for the meat, 1 for the veggie. Notice the white stuff is rice noodle. Here's our veggie filling and here's the ingredient for the pork dumpling. We're gonna add the vegetable into the pork. One teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix them together. So we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt into the vegetable dumpling. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix them together. Here's our vegetable dumpling filling. And our dough is ready to go. Now it's much more soft. We're going to use a traditional way to make the dumpling wrappers. Cut them into small bits, ensure the even size. Add a little bit flour. This is a traditional way to make dumpling skin in North China, but since I come from South China, I'm still learning. First, we are going to make pork dumpling. Only get 1 spoon of filling. Don't get too much, otherwise the dumpling will break. Fold them together. Okay, so this is the first way to make dumpling. This is the second way to make the dumpling. I'm going to fold them together to separate the vegetable dumpling from the pork dumpling. Oh yes, this is another way that you may replace the traditional technique to make dumplings skin. I'm using a mason jar. Since I'm United States, why not? Oh, that's much faster. Now that's a thing of beauty. We are going to fry the dumpling, then we can start the dinner. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil and 3 teaspoons of water. You don't have to wait until the water gets hot. Leave in the pot for 5 minutes and you can flip them over for another side. Actually, we can call them potstickers. And ready to eat. Thank you for watching. 再见。